Hi, I'm Tanya Ramirez at Untamed Instinct, and we're here today at Salon Republic Hollywood, and I have the lovely Anna with me today. We're going to be working on a really fun hair project. I've been working on a hair series inspired by birthstones all of this year, and so today we're going to be working on June, which is Pearl. So follow along and stay tuned for all of our little hair magic that's to come. So we're just about to get started. I'm using Wella Blondor with 20 volume for an on the scalp application. Anna has about 3/4 of an inch of new growth, so I'm gonna stay just off the scalp and then I'm gonna go back in with a second application just at the very base. So the best part of the day really is playing like, which brush is it gonna be now? Because I have like all these brushes and I probably really only use like a core of 3. But I don't have the heart to get rid of them because they're like all friends. This is the most painstaking part of the process, is just getting the bleach out right. If you get this right, anything's possible. My next video will have to be, I've been wanting to do this for a couple of years, like a blindfolded hair color thing. So maybe do all the bleach out and then just have a tray of different colors and be blindfolded, just like applying different colors and see what happens. I actually always thought it would be really, really interesting, and maybe this could or would happen somewhere down the line, but to have like an all bondage themed hair salon and call it Blondage, that was always like my vision. I have like these white statues like Stanley Kubrick, everything like black and white, like, and like with chairs that you could like cuff your client into, you know? You don't get to move. Oh no, I got bleach on my dress. Are you a messy hairdresser? But it just wipes away clean. Did it wipe it? No, it didn't. No, sorry, I looked down. Are you a messy hairdresser too? Oh no, I got bleach on my dress. Are you a messy hairdresser too? At least it just wipes away clean. Oh, that's better. It could even be like a charity thing. Like a how long can you go, you know? Because I think that a lot of our work is just so like stamina based. 24-hour streams, exactly. So Eric Taylor, we need to do 24-hour hair stream. I have way too many crazy ideas.
A hairathon?
Maybe we can call it a hairathon. Maybe, why not? You can go to people's favorite charities, you know, you can pledge based on however many hours you think they can go. Why not? Okay, so we're done with our initial application. So like I said, we've used Wella Blondor with 20 volume and we've just stayed off the scalp. At this point, I've done a global application and the back is now ready for me to begin applying our lightener at the base. And so I'm going to just apply it in the first section. Then I'll move to the second section I worked on, the third, and I'm going to let that sit for a little bit probably before I move to the front areas. And what I will probably do as the back processes, once that's done, I'll probably start rinsing that section first and then allow the rest to process. This is the point in your color process where you're like, do I rinse it now? Now? Maybe now?
How about now?
How about now? And then you're like,
no.
I still see yellow.
And there's one scene.
We could just do like a 30-minute shampoo. This should all be slow motion.
Yes.
You can come and do some tight shots. Oh, my hair got in my stuff. So I'm going to do a little shameless plug right now. If you follow me on Instagram at Untamed Instinct, go now. I'll still be waiting. You might have seen like the very long color process that I generally do. And most of the time I don't really talk about what color I'm using per se or what I'm mixing up. But today I'm going to give you my little secret to toning or pre-toning blondes. I don't really usually share that kind of stuff. I'm kind of a little snobby about it, but only because it's just how I do things and because I would never want someone to feel like how they're doing it is wrong versus my way being the right way, even though we know that's the right way. Don't take it personally. But I'm just gonna show you some of my favorite toner, hands down, for like any sort of blonde process, I think that once you reach that level like 9, 10, is Wella Color Touch 9-stroke 01 will get you a beautiful blonde every single time. Apply it at the bowl, post shampoo, just for like less than 5 minutes. I just want a little bit of that soft beiginess to come in. There's like a really lovely iridescence that comes with this color. So try it out if you haven't, and if you try it and you hate it, don't DM me. Really, don't. I won't answer. Okay. Alrighty, so we're done pre-toning Anna's hair. I'm gonna go in and put some of my favorite creative colors on here, but in a real soft, subtle way. This is gonna be some very strategic placement to create some shadows and have some fun light play with it. We're gonna keep the longer lengths lighter, and we're gonna create some depth in the shorter lengths. We're gonna go in afterwards and have some fun with her haircut and give her like a pixie mullet kind of look. So keep watching and you might earn a prize. Although I feel like I need to be like in a dark room with like a bottle of whiskey, just...
Also, it's not a dancing song.
No, if you want, I'll give you a dancing song later. I'm a good dancer.
Okay.
낮에는 따사로운 인간적인 여자 커피 한 잔에 여유를 아는 품격 있는 여자 밤이 오면 심장이 뜨거워지는 여자 그런 반전 있는 여자
You're just amusing yourself mentally?
I'm just amusing myself mentally, yeah. But nobody's telling me jokes. Why am I supposed to be here entertaining you guys, some sort of cut color monkey? Oh, let's laugh at Tanya. That's okay. I'm used to it. It's okay. You know, it's one of those like, you become self-deprecating, you know, make fun of yourself before other people can. So it's cool. Like,
sexy lady 오빤 강남 스타일 sexy lady
so here's our finish for our pearlescent birthstone inspired hair color series that I've been working on all year so far. This is our June look. So we started off with global blonding using Wella Blondor and 20 volume on the scalp. And then we went through and pre-toned with Wella Color Touch. And then I went in with Draco Color Intensity Direct Dyes. I mixed about 3 different colors, the titanium, the soft pink, and the orange, and diluted those to create different levels of contour. So if you can see, I created some depths just along the hairline, just along the center sections here. I created sort of like a pinkier version that I played with down near the bottom and near the top while keeping the brightest, whitest areas towards the crown. So you can follow my Birthstone hair series at #UntamedGems, and you can follow me at Untamed Instinct, and be sure to follow Salon Republic, subscribe to their channel, smash that like button, click on that bell for notifications so you can stay tuned to all the amazing hair education that we have to offer for you. Thanks for watching.